Hey y'all, welcome to Hippie Chick, where cooking is just a flick of the wrist. So let's get started. Thank you all so much for watching my channel. If you guys are liking my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and the notification bell to be reminded of when I upload new videos. Now you guys, today I have a treat for you. Yes, y'all remember on my last video, I said that I was going to do something special with the pears. Okay, you guys, I am going to can pears. Yes. I'm going to can these pears. And I'm actually going to get some help with this. So I'm really excited about that. Now, but I'm doing the first step, and then that maybe second step, I'm going to get somebody to come in and kind of help me out, you guys. Okay, so I bought this little contraption here, you guys, to help us with peeling the pears. So I'm going to just demonstrate to you all how this works. Now, you just take your pear and you just pull off the little stems, if they have the stems on them, as best you can. And you're just going to push this little toggle piece here in and pull back on this little lever thing here, okay? And then you're going to put your pear on these three little prongs here. It's like 1, 2, 3 prongs. And you're going to put it in there as best you can. Some of them are kind of big, so it's can be kind of tight. But you just do that, okay? And now once you got it on there really nicely, then you're just going to take this and you're going to peel. Turn it until it starts to peeling. It's going to capture on this little thing here and start peeling. But you know, ooh, it's too, oh, you guys, I'm glad that happened. This is a good learning opportunity. All right, you guys. When that happens, that means the pear is too soft. Is that right, Cedric?
Yes.
Yeah, because we've been finding that to be true with some of these, okay? When it doesn't stay on like that, that means the pear is too soft. And when it's too soft like this, I think you've been going by hand. Have you been going by hand and just kind of, and he would go in and peel it, you guys. Okay, let me try another one. Y'all know these pears was really hard and stuff. Remember I was telling y'all how hard they were? So we had let them sit. We just been letting them sit till they got soft, because they were just hard for the longest. So now they've softened up, which we didn't have to probably have them soft. I don't know if they needed to be soft to can or not, but I know in order for, you know, my husband to eat and enjoy, they would need to be softer. And these definitely are. And y'all, they are so good and juicy. So you guys, I'm just turning this little crank here. And as you can see, it's just coming off onto this plate here. I turn it that way so you can see it maybe a little bit better. But I need to put it this way because this is the way it's coming out. But I was just trying to put it at an angle so y'all can see what's going on. Y'all know my kitchen ain't so big, so I have to kind of figure out what was the best angle to do the video. So I'm going to pull my plate back on over. And you see, you just do this. Okay? And you're finished. Alright? And at that point, you just whoops, pull it off. Okay, you guys? And there you go. There you go. Now, that's a little bit that's left there. We'll just take a knife and get the rest of that off. But it's still much better than having to do the whole thing ourselves. Now, you guys, I tell you, this right here is game changer. It is game changer. I will do another one, you guys, to kind of demonstrate what I'm doing here. And I can show you here. I don't know if y'all, I think y'all can got a little bit of a view of this. This is a pan here that has already been, you know, peeled with our peeler here. Okay, and we actually have another one here that we have to fill. Okay, so what I'm going to do, and I don't know if I'll be able to capture everything on the video, but I'm going to tell you guys, and I may come back on and try and capture it. I'm not sure. Just depends on what's going on. Okay, but so what we got to do, this corer here, I mean this peeler here, it actually comes with the corer as well. Okay, now my husband couldn't get the corer to work like it should, so we decided to just leave it off, and we was going to go back in and just kind of you know, cut them off, because we got to cut them off anyway. We got to slice them down, and that won't be no problem. But this does come with a quarter, and that's what I was, you know, hoping to get. So it just help us with the amount of work we got to do. Okay, I'm going to push this back. And now each of those pans, to each pan, you're going to use 5 pounds of sugar. And that's what I have here, y'all. This is actually 4 pounds. You know this is 4 pounds?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to use like 4 pounds of sugar to each pan, okay? And then we'll just let it sit out, and it'll be overnight. And or even maybe even put it in the refrigerator. I don't know. Just depends on what they want us to do. Okay, so I'm just pulling that back, y'all. I'm gonna do another one on camera for y'all. Let's see if this works, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna just start cranking. Okay, there we go. It's really. My husband said I didn't put it on good enough. You think I could try it again? Or you think, do you think it won't do right if because we don't been in there already? Let's try it. Let me see, y'all. Let's see if I can start back where I was at. Let's see. Or let's see if it's going to come off again. Okay, it's got it, I believe. He said I got to put it on a little bit harder. Like, make sure it's up there real good. I just be kind of sticking it on. There we go. Here we go, y'all. Okay, so you guys got the idea of what it is that I'm doing with this core here. And we have these to go. And we actually have some down here in this pan here. So we have plenty more to do. And we're going to go ahead and do that. And my husband and my son is going to help me slice them off. And then we're going to pour in sugar, 4 pounds of sugar to each pan of the pears. And then we are going to cover them and let them sit. Okay? So you guys, I'm not sure if I'll come back or not, if I have time to or not, but at least you guys know what it is that I'm doing, because I'm telling you, and it's not hard at all, at least that step, right? Now, tomorrow, when my help comes and my guest comes and show me how to do it, I'll see, because I've never actually canned it before, so it'll be a good learning experience for me as well. Now, my mom used to can and stuff all the time, but I just never really took an interest. You know, we helped out with doing certain things or what have you, but I could never just tell you the steps to actually how to do it. So, you guys, I'm excited to learn, and I'll see you guys back definitely tomorrow, if not this evening, to work on sprinkling the sugar and stuff over, which, like I say, you guys, that's easy. Y'all can do that. That ain't no big deal to see or anything. But all right, you guys, I'll see you guys back later. Bye.